Okay, we'll start with Katie. I've been trying to think of how to improve how you were describing cosmetics. Your job is basically to find smarter cosmetics, and I really like how Korea uses words like that from English because it's very to the point. Actually, there's not a good word to use in English to describe smart cosmetics, or I think what you were saying is just basic upgrade enhancement for cosmetics, including marketing and the chemistry of the cosmetics, and so kind of like enhancements or more efficient. There's no trendy way to say smart cosmetics in natural English, but I understood what you meant. Kind of interesting. Also, Katie was speaking about watching the phone. I think you mentioned your mother's watching Facebook or YouTube.
No, just to see the photo.
Ah, well, okay, yes, right. So, better to say looking at or staring at her photos. Watching implies moving things, like a movie or something. So yeah. Let's see. Sora, before you were using the word talking, like talk 3 sentences, where you should have said, I will say 3 sentences. So just be careful when you use talk and say. There's different times that you would use that. So talk and say are different in usage. And also you mentioned she feels difficult at one time. This is really common in Korean people saying, I forget the context. I think you said she feels difficult using a smartphone. Your grandmother, maybe. Where you should have said just, it is hard for her. Just, it's hard for her to use. Using the smartphone is hard for her. Or, right. We never say the person is difficult or the person is hard. We say what they're having trouble with is hard. And kind of basic, just be careful with the L's and R's. When you said learn earlier, I thought you said run, like running, so I was a little confused. So just really work on the tongue for L sounds and R sounds. Okay. Also, Alex, you also were using watched, like have you watched this? Whereas it would be more natural to say, have you seen this? Have you seen this video clip? Have you seen this movie? In a question form, it's not common to use watched. It sounds...
What TV program?
Right. Have you watched Breaking Bad? Would make sense. That would work. That would work too. But the context you were using it before, it should have been with seen instead of watched. So. Okay.
So seen sounds better.
Seen sounds better in a lot of cases. Okay, any questions then? I did not catch many mistakes from Yan. She's awfully quiet today.